Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to put FB stickers on WhatsApp like this. First we have to go in Play Store and write Bitmoji and download, install it and then open. Now if you have Snapchat, then continue with Snapchat, and otherwise sign up with email. Now put your birthday here. Now click continue. Here put your email address and password, what you want. Whatever you want, you can put password in this. You have to click sign up, and whatever you are, girl or boy, click on it. Now here you can see the skin tone, means our avatar or sticker is ready. Now we have to put here, took here a skin tone. Anything we can take in this. After selecting this, we have to click on save, and yes. Now we have to choose outfit. Now click on save. Our avatar is ready, and first if we have to change hairstyle or anything, we can change from here. Again we have to click on save. Now for Gboard, Bitmoji for Gboard, we have to write Gboard. Now install this Gboard and go into the settings of this. Gboard is installed. Now we have to go in setting. I will additional setting, language and input. Current keyboard, you have to choose Gboard here, and then in WhatsApp click on this smiley, and here you can see our Bitmoji is ready, all stickers. See. So how was the video? Please write in comment box and like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.